Hey everyone, it's Nivi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so happy to share my morning routine with you all. So let's just jump in. So I'm trying to wake up early these days, and the first thing I do is to make my bed, which I've been doing ever since I was a kid, and I love doing it and it makes my day. I then open the windows to get some fresh air and also listen to the birds chirp in the mornings. I go ahead and I brush my teeth, and of late I'm using this bamboo toothbrush which I got from Terra, and I just wash my face with Cetaphil face cleanser just to feel fresh and awake in the morning. I walk into the kitchen and drink my first glass or a mason jar of water. I sometimes mix lemon and honey into it, or some days wheatgrass powder and cinnamon powder, but mostly it's just a plain water. I then take almonds which I have soaked overnight. Again, this is a healthy habit that I'm practicing nowadays just to take care of my health. After keeping the milk to boil, I just go ahead and clean my house and draw rangoli outside my home. I usually load the washer the previous night so that it's like time saving and easy for me in the mornings. I have kept aside my workout clothes and home clothes the previous night itself. This is a habit taught by my mom, and I still do it every day religiously. I try and schedule my workouts in the morning so that even if I miss, I can work out in the evenings. For the past 1 year, my health has not been at its best, so I'm just making it a practice that I work out, strictly for 1 hour every day. So just doing my bit to keep myself healthy. To keep myself entertained, I just scroll through Instagram and I just read some positive quotes in the morning. And finally, it's chai time. So, are you a coffee person or a tea person? Comment below. I would like to know about it. If you want to know the products that I use in the shower, please let me know in the comment section below. So, I made idli and coconut chutney today for breakfast. This is my apple banana smoothie in which I include a lot of cocoa, beans, flax seeds, everything into it, and I just drink it in the morning. My work bag is also set the previous night itself, so it's ready, set, go for me now. I have already made a video on my everyday office look. Kindly check that video in the description box below, or if you want an updated one, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Please follow me on my Instagram page as well for daily updates. Thank you. Bye.